This video will show you how to add a new lock to your app. The first step is to download the app from the App Store. Once downloaded, open it and tap Allow Notifications. Before pairing the lock, you should create a new username and password, or log in if you already have an account. Also, make sure that the lock is factory default and your Bluetooth is turned on. After signing in, this screen will pop up. Then, tap the type of device you want to add, in this case, U-Bolt. Tap Scan for Ultraloq. The available locks will appear in this screen. Tap Stop Scanning, then you can choose your lock. Set an admin code between 4 and 8 digits and tap Next. Name your Ultraloq, then tap OK. Choose the direction of your lock and tap Done. You will see your new U-Bolt Pro added in your devices. To verify if you added the lock, tap the lock logo. You should see this screen. Tap the red button to open your lock. Now, tap the green button to close it. Tap Back. To make a full registration, you should add a fingerprint. Tap the user's logo of your lock. Select the owner. The owner is the person who owns U-Bolt Pro and has all the privileges. Tap Fingerprint, then tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 blue circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. Tap Done. You have finished pairing your new lock.